Hey everyone, it's Desiree, and I am here again for the month of April with another company that's out there available to us. Now, I kind of sort of knew about this one. I just didn't know the extent of this one, so I was halfway under the rock. Let's say that. So here I am going to show you Kat Scrappiness. They did reach out. As a matter of fact, someone that I know very well had reached out, didn't realize they were actually part of the design team, and asked, if they would, if they would send me something, would I show it? And absolutely. Again, there is so much out there that's available to us to create. This hasn't even begun to scratch the surface. So I'm hoping each month I'll either be showing some new products or new company, just so that you guys can see what's out there. Not that you guys have to buy it, but yes, how can you resist that? I'm just saying, this is just absolutely adorable, cute. But again, these other companies may have what you're looking for, that unique item that just makes you go, yes, that is ingenious. So these are the products, as I said, that they did send me. So this one is, I just absolutely fell in love with this one. These are some great dies where they are tulips. They are, I don't know what they're called. Okay. These are layering, a layering die with these, and then you have a bow. This is a background Easter. Now, this is really unique because, you've got this solid piece down here, and then you've got the bunny and the eggs. Now, what's really cool is you can cut this at any point, or, think about doing a rainbow going down. So lots of possibilities with that. I fell in love with these film strips. For when it comes to slimline cards. I just absolutely loved them. And there's 2 of them in here, which is fabulous. So you've got one that's got 4 openings, and you've got this one that has 3. But I absolutely love the film strips. Again, both for slimline and also the journals. I think the film strips look great. And then these awesome, just absolutely awesome Easter eggs. Love the spiral that comes through. Love the effect that you get. So as always, I'm going to do 2-3 projects. I believe I've hit 2 on this one. Again, I've got April kind of really filled up, which is fine. That's a good thing. That means you all see more here. So I think there's 2 projects that I have scheduled. So right after this reveal, I'm actually going to show the video for the first project. So get ready for that. And I do hope you enjoy them. As always, I'm going to have a link to their direct shop down below, just so that you can see all of the wonderful other items that they have. There is more in the Kat Scrappiness lines, from stamps to stencils, or excuse me, stamps to dies. And then there's also other items in there as well. So again, small business. Let's look at them. Let's see what they have to offer for us. So with this, let's go to the first project.